How to make full screen TikTok video in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply launch your CapCut application and then you will need to use a template for this. Simply go to template and then search for TikTok. Now you will get full screen TikTok uh, template for CapCut or your video in your CapCut application. So simply select the one that you think is the best for your video and then upload your video to that template and export it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.